And welcome to another video. In this quick tutorial I will show you how to change windshield wiper blades. Car I'm using in today's video is BMW E91, but this method works for every E90 series. So let's start. So this is universal wiper blade. It comes with different attaches. So now we are going to unplug and remove old wiper blade. We will also use old attachment because it's better than cheap plastic one that I got with new wiper. So what I'm about to do, I will remove old attachment and I will put it on the new wiper blade. I hope you guys find this tutorial very useful, so let's make some tests now and see how it works in action.